In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a status in Jira. If you've ever found yourself needing to clean up or simplify your workflows, knowing how to remove unnecessary statuses is an essential skill. Let's dive right into the process and ensure that your Jira projects stay organized and efficient. First, we'll begin by navigating to your project settings. From your dashboard, locate the sidebar and click on the project you're working with. You might find it helpful here to have a clear idea of which project and issue type you need to work on so you save time. Once you've accessed your project settings, the next step is to go to Issue Types. After you've landed on the Issue Types page, you need to select the specific issue type you want to make changes to. This is crucial because each issue type can have its own unique workflow, so ensure you pick the correct one to avoid making accidental changes elsewhere. Next up is selecting Edit Workflow. This option allows you to enter a mode where you can directly interact with your workflow diagram. Imagine this as the heart of your process where each status represents a different stage in your workflow. It's like viewing a roadmap of your project's status flow. Within this workflow diagram, you'll clearly see each status laid out. Scan through and identify the specific status you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct one, as removing a status will impact any issues currently assigned to it. Once you've clicked on the status of interest, you'll notice a status details panel appear. This panel will provide you with information about the selected status, ensuring you have all details right in front of you. It's here you can confirm it's indeed the status you wish to remove. As you review the details, you'll find the delete status option at the bottom of this panel. When you're sure about the status you want to eliminate, go ahead and select delete status. It's important to remember that deleting a status is a permanent action, so you might want to verify if there are any issues currently in this status, or consider backing up your workflow just in case something needs to be reverted later. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively manage and clean up your workflows in Jira by removing obsolete statuses. Not only does this practice help maintain clarity within your project, but it also enhances the team's navigational efficiency as there are fewer statuses to sift through. With everything streamlined, your workflows stand resilient and adaptable, ensuring optimal progression through tasks. Thank you for following along and keep up the great work in maintaining neat, efficient workflows in your projects. Until next time, keep pushing your projects towards success.